Hi, Happy New Year. Someone asked me how to sign grandfather and grandmother in Korean Sign Language. So first, let's start grandfather. So in American Sign Language, grandfather is letter shaped L, and then you tap it on your forehead, while mother is also shaped L, and then you tap it on your chin. I had already shared this before. I'll put the links down. So, for um, grandfather, grandfather is signed as the same with the um something L shape and then on your forehead, and then you just do this twice because it's grandfather. So it's father is just once, then grandfather. Same with grandmother. But in Korean Sign Language, um, they denote the male with the thumb and the female with the little finger. So how do you sign grandfather in Korean Sign Language? Grandfather in Korean Sign is this, and then you put this, sorry, this and then this. So this is grand and then father, grandfather or grandmother. So it's just male grandfather, female grandmother. Easy, right? Don't don't confuse with the American Sign Language because this one in American Sign Language means forget. So never forget your grandfather and grandmother, or in Korean Sign Language, your grandfather and grandmother. Continue learning, enjoy the time with your loved ones, and stay happy. See you in the next video.
Hi, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write in the comments below. See you in the next video.